Samsung Galaxy J3 2017, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all apps. Here let's find and select settings. Now let's find and select apps, choose more and select reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restriction for apps, default apps, background data restrictions and permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this, let's tap reset, and that's it, you just restore app preferences. So now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.